Guten Morgen, Klasse. Guten Morgen. Heute ist Freitag. Today is Friday. So what we're going to work on today, Frau Battle will actually do a presentation with you first really quick because that's what you need to do. This will be your grade for our test. So make sure you follow directions carefully, listen to the video, and let me know if you have any questions. So this is an example of what your project will look like. Your project will be all about you. Das bin ich. And that's a project that I will just share with you right now that I created so you can see how this should look like in the end. Das bin ich. Ich heiße Frau Badel. Ich bin ein Mädchen. Ich bin 36 Jahre alt. Ich wohne in Monroe. Ich habe im Dezember Geburtstag. And you can see, there's a picture of Frau Badel. See that? Okay, let's move on. In meiner Freizeit. In meiner Freizeit. Ich schwimme gern. Ich spiele lieber, double hard, lieber Gitarre. Ich tanze am liebsten. 3 hearts, because that's my favorite. Ich game nicht gern. In meiner Freizeit. Jeden Tag koche ich. Manchmal schwimme und zeichne ich. Am Wochenende spiele Games. Im Sommer fahre ich Rad. Okay, so you can see this slide has time expressions. This slide has gern, lieber, am liebsten. So now that you saw the example, I want to go over our task list today. So first things first, when you go, and I'll make sure you guys can see me a little bit better here. So when you go to our Google Classroom, and I know it says third period here, but you guys will have the same assignment. It's already posted here, so this is a good example for me to use. And I signed in as a student here. You can click on the assignment and go to View Assignment. So you will see there's a Google slide attached for you, which you will use for your Google slide. You do not have to create your own. You use the one that I have. You can change it anyway. You can change the colors. This is just an example. You can leave it the way it is, but do not touch it yet because you have to actually work on your docs. And here's how you actually add a docs. Go to Create, click on Docs, and it will create the Google Docs for you. It's very important that you do this step so I can see what you can see. And then you will actually write your sentences into this Google Docs. And I'll show you guys what sentences you need to write in a minute. So as you go to our task list, there is a Struktur 1 word wall that you need to do in a little game. You can do that first. And then second is our project. You have to follow direction carefully. So today, what you have to get done is create your document. And I just showed you how to do that. And write your sentences. If there is time, you can start on your PowerPoint presentation. But again, you will have time later on this weekend probably to just add pictures to it. Click on the project. So you will see examples of sentences that you need to use. Vorstellen. So you need to tell me your name, your age, girl or boy, where do you live, and your birthday. And I know we didn't cover the months, but I gave you the months. They're down here. You just actually have to look for your birthday month and use that in a sentence. And then in meiner Freizeit, you write 4 sentences with time expressions. You saw that in slide 3. And then you will write 3 sentences with gern, nicht gern, lieber, am liebsten. So you pick only 3 of them. You don't have to do them all. And last, you need to actually add pictures to your slide, but that's last. So you will write those sentences on the Google Docs that you created. I will check it. You make correction. Frau Battle will check it again. And then you get to copy and paste it into the slide. And then your project will be done, okay?